This video will teach you how to share your WhatsApp status to Facebook and Instagram. Open your WhatsApp and then go straight to your status, maybe the one you've uploaded, or create a new one. Click on the three dots. When you click on the three dots, you have options to forward. If you press forward, it will just be to share to your WhatsApp contact. If you also click on the three dots and press share to Facebook, you will be able to share your status to your Facebook story. If you don't want, you can go back to your status. If you click again and click on share, then you'll be able to share your WhatsApp status to Facebook, Instagram, and other apps that would allow that kind of document. Then if you've seen the particular app you are looking for, you click on share. For me, I'm going to share to my Instagram feed, and when I share it to my Instagram feed, automatically I set it to share to my Facebook. So I'm going to you can also change the filter. You can see that you can change it from green to blue, whatever. Then you'll be able to post this as a normal Instagram post. It will be like a picture embedded on your post, so you can write a text and add it to it. If you don't want to write any text, you can just upload it like that. And once you type finish, you click on the arrow that will lead you straight to uploading this. Once you upload it, it will appear as a post on your Instagram. If you don't want it, you can delete it. I hope you've learned that. Alternatively, you can go to your status and highlight it and copy. You can copy more than one test status. If it's more than one, you can copy more than one. And when you copy it, that means the message in that status you've copied it can go straight to your Facebook and post it as a test, and maybe add another picture that you want. I hope you've learned something today. Don't forget to like this video and hit the bell notification, and also subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.